We slip in and out of a bra so many times in our lives. Today, we will show you how to wear a bra properly. Step 1. Adjust the bra strap to the correct length for yourself. You can do this using the sliders. Step 2. Slip the straps over your shoulders. You know the length is right when the straps support the breasts lightly without cutting into the skin or putting too much strain on the shoulders. Remember, what you want is a comfortable tightness. Step 3. Bend over at the waist at a 90 degree so that your body is parallel to the floor. Very naturally ease your breasts into the cups. Step 4. Hook the back band of the bra. Make sure you clasp it on the first loosest hook. Done? Step 5. See that the bra cup completely contains the breast tissue. Put your right hand into the left cup inside the bra and gently shift the breast tissue towards the center. Now, repeat the same way on the other side. Check visually to see that your breasts are in the proper position. In case of an underwired bra, make sure the underwire sits on the rib cage, not on the breast tissue. And finally, tap downward on the back band of the bra so that it rests beneath the shoulder blades. The line of the bra should be horizontal from front to back. Soon it'll become so easy to check your bra is on right. You'll be doing it automatically, as a matter of habit. It takes less than a minute to wear your bra properly, but it totally transforms how you feel right through the day.